Hello everyone, how's everyone doing? Hope you are resonating with the readings. Do like the channel, do subscribe the channel and click on the bell icon, and also do let me know how you feel the readings are so that I will know how it is resonating with you all. So let's see what is in the cards today. Okay, the first card which is come is Beltane. Actually, one of my favorite Wiccan festivals also is Beltane. It's more of, where there's a pole done and people enjoy the festival. But over here I will tell you what the cards mean. But first let me pull off another card also. The next card is Five of Air. So today the two cards which have come is Beltane and Five of Air. If I have to connect Beltane with our normal tarot cards, it's the Lovers card. So basically it's a festival celebration, and here I would say that follow your heart today. Just do what your heart is asking you to do. And those who are in partnership, the day will be good in their business, the day will be good in their work. Those who are looking for a life partner, today is an amazing day where there are chances that you will find a partner for yourself. Moreover, overall today everything will be good, you'll be happy, because Lovers card is usually in that ways. But one more thing, if you're looking for some guidance or for some help in your field, be it your career or your personal life, then today I would suggest to ask the help from opposite sex. If you're a female who is seeing these readings, then you should ask for guidance from a male member. If you're a male member, then you should ask for guidance from a female member. Now coming to this, it looks like a palmistry when you see here. Basically this is a card which is, here it is that know your strengths, because everything is in your hand. Basically it's just saying we know how to control ourselves, we can be in control of ourselves. I always say, many people come and say, why is it that my life is like this, why is it that I'm not able to get happiness. I always tell people, we are our own creators and we are our own destroyers. We allow things to trouble us, or we allow things to spoil our life. So don't allow that to happen. Take control of situations or things that are bothering you, and I am sure there is a solution which is nearer, but as of now you are not able to understand or find the real picture. But when you sit back and think, everything is in your hands and you can control it beautifully. Today, since it's a Lovers card, the color will be pink. Wear the color pink today. And in the morning, if you have pink crystals, rose quartz, carry it with you. In the morning, if you can chant Om Namo Bhagavate Vasudevaya, the Krishna mantra. It is there in Google also, in YouTube also. Just chant that mantra and start your day, and I'm sure things will go well. In the evening, when you're coming back, pick something and pick 2 packets. 1 packet for your home and 1 packet to give someone in need, so that the blessings come back to you multifold. Have a beautiful and a powerful day ahead. Thank you.